accannati. Vado fuori all'aperto, ma prima voglio che mi benedite come quel giorno che partì soldato. E poi, mamma, sentite, s'io non tornassi, s'io non tornassi, voi dovrete fare da madre a sangue, che s'io non tornassi. E parli così, figliuolo mio? Oh, nulla, è il vino che m'ha suggerito il vino. Per me, pregate Dio, per me, pregate Dio, un bacio, mamma, un altro bacio, addio. S'io non tornassi, fate da madre a santa un bacio, mamma, addio. Che vuoi dire? Mamma! Mamma! Quel vino è generoso! E certo oggi vuoti bicchier ne ho tracannati. Vado fuori all'aperto. La prima voglia che mi benedite come quel giorno che parti soldato. E poi, mamma, sentite, s'io non tornassi, se io non tornassi, voi dovrete fare da madre assolta, che io ne avevo giurato di condurla all'altare. Voi dovete fare da madre assolta. Io non tornassi. A nulla è il vino che m'ha suggerito, m'ha suggerito il vino per me. Pregate Dio per me, pregate Dio. Un bacio, mamma, un altro bacio, addio. Io non tornassi, fate da madre assolta. Un bacio, mamma, addio.
I believe that the emotional expression of the final line in Mamma, quel vino è generoso truly deserves in-depth discussion. This aria, as Cavaradassi's final farewell in Tosca, carries profound musical and emotional complexity, far beyond a simple heroic declaration. One, emotional layers. Contrasting heroism with struggle and despair, I feel that merely conveying heroism is insufficient, because this aria encapsulates not only Cavardassi's resoluteness, but also his emotions towards his mother, life, and fate. I think it requires richer emotional layers. Tragic grandeur, to display resolve and heroism. Struggle, to reveal the futility of fighting fate. Despair, to express the profound inner pain and helplessness. In my view, Poggi and Corelli's interpretations lean more toward heroic grandeur, but lack the expression of grief and despair. Their resonance tends to focus on the upper pharynx and nasal cavity without the deep abdominal support. I feel that while their performances are powerful, they fail to fully convey the aria's multifaceted emotions. To me, tragic grandeur embodies an inherent contradiction, both determination and resentment towards fate. This tension can be brought to life through the technique of inhaling downward, which integrates the emotions of grief and despair into the voice, providing a deeper emotional impact for the audience. Hashar 2, Technical aspects, the critical role of breath and abdominal support. I believe the essence of advanced singing technique lies in abdominal support and breath control, with inhaling downward serving as a perfect fusion of emotion and technique. Here are my thoughts. Abdominal support. I think the role of abdominal support extends beyond sustaining breath. It enriches the voice with depth and emotional complexity. Without it, the voice risks sounding superficial and lacking in emotional soul. Inhaling downward. To me, this technique acts like an emotional whirl, directing the breath from a high position downward. It imbues the voice with an inward, profound power, back as though the singer is swallowing despair into their core while simultaneously sharing this anguish with the audience. For instance, I feel that Mario Del Monaco, while exuding heroic spirit, lacks the subtle grief necessary for this piece. In contrast, singers like Beniamino Gigli or Jussi Björling achieve a better balance, delivering the layered emotional complexity through more evenly distributed breath control. Sure 3. Balancing emotional expression. In my opinion, the final line of this aria requires balancing two contrasting emotions. A hero's resolve, saying farewell to his mother and facing death with courage. Human vulnerability, resentment toward fate, love for life, and attachment to his mother. I believe this balance demands subtle adjustments in tone, breath, and resonance. Hone, transitioning from firmness to softness, eventually fading into silence. Breath, abdominal support must remain steady throughout the shift from tragic grandeur to despair, while inhaling downward captures the emotional shift. Resonance. I feel the resonance should gradually lower from the upper cavity to the chest and even the abdominal cavity to evoke emotional depth and descent. Conclusion. I use the term tragic grandeur to summarize the ideal emotional expression for the final line, rather than just grandeur. I think that by employing abdominal support and the inhaling downward technique, one can more perfectly convey the interplay of grief, despair, and resolve. While Poggi and Corelli are technically excellent, I feel their interpretations lack the emotional depth that this aria demands. I offer this analysis in response to my friend, professional Italian tenor and conductor Max Trentini 5589. I want to thank him for presenting such an important topic, allowing us to explore the emotional expression in vocal music together.